and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Jewelers call off their All India strike. Decision to end strike taken after meeting with Sonia, Gandhi and Pranab Mukherjee. Jewelry shops in Goa open. Day of Crucifixion of Jesus Christ, Good Friday observed in the state with thousands of faithful attending the services at various churches. Jesus was crucified by Roman soldiers on Calvary Hill in Jerusalem. "48 mining traders asked to revert back with a list of 12 documents. 12 documents made mandatory for the traders to renew their licenses. Government to denotify Regional Plan 2021 and revoke all construction licenses issued after Governor's address in Assembly. CM to issue denotification to concerned departments on Monday. An Indian stake on Thai opponents in ONGC Asian Billiards Championship last four showdown. Pankaj Advani and Devendra Joshi keep Indian challenge alive. Alok Kumar knocked out. And now the news in detail. The jewellers have called off their All India strike on Friday. The decision to end the strike was taken after their meeting with Sonia Gandhi and Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee. Gold traders and jewellery shops in Goa too remain closed on Friday as part of their nationwide strike.
Various Jewellers Association, including Bullion Traders Association, Market Sarafa Association and Diamond Traders have been on strike since March 17. Earlier in the day, agitating jewellers and bullion traders called on Congress President Sonia Gandhi to press for their demand for removal of excise duty on unbranded jewellery. All India Swarnakar Sangh President Madhukar Chanchad briefed media after the meeting.
हमारे कहने के ऊपर प्रणाब जी ने जो पार्लियामेंट में संकेत दिया है कि इसके ऊपर विचार किया जाएगा और ऐसा है कि जो आपकी तकलीफें हैं इसको बड़ी गहराई से देखते हुए इसके ऊपर कोई फैसला किया जाएगा.
UPA leader Sonia Gandhi has assured the Sangh that she will forward their demands to the Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee for further action. The representatives of the Jewellery Association have also met Mukherjee on Thursday to press for their demand for removal of duties on gold and unbranded jewellery. They met the Finance Minister again on Friday. Goan jewellers and gold traders to pull down their shutters on Friday, but the strike has been withdrawn following assurance from the Union Finance Minister.
Indian delegation had met Finance Minister today, and Finance Minister has assured the Indian delegation of jewellers who had met him today in the morning that he'll look into this matter, and he has assured that he'll roll back the taxes. Basically, excise is what he has promised us. Import, he might come down, that he'll look into this matter. But there's no written what he has given to us. It's all orally what he has told. So, on the assurance given by Finance Minister, we have called back the ban what we had announced today on 6th. So, we request all the jewellers to open the premises from tomorrow. I promised to implement the assurance on 11th of May since the Parliament runs from 23rd to 10th of May. So we are waiting for a positive reply. We just got the assurance. If suppose the rollback does not happen as he has promised us, we'll start back our protest from 11th of May.
Mukherjee in his budget 2012-13 had imposed 1% excise duty on all unbranded jewellery and doubled the import duty to 4% on gold. He also announced that quoting of PAN card would be mandatory for purchase of jewellery worth more than 2 lakh rupees. A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar and Devendra Gaukar.
Prayers, enactments and religious services mark the observance of Good Friday in the state, with thousands of faithful attending the services at various churches in Goa. Good Friday signifies the crucifixion of Jesus Christ on Mount Calvary.
The enactment of the Crucifixion of Jesus was commemorated at Our Lady of Pity Chapel at Monthill, Mudgaon on Good Friday. Our reporter from Mudgaon, Savio Dice.
48 mining traders have been asked to revert back to the government with a list of 12 documents. The mining department had suspended their licenses on 3rd of April. Traders have been told to reply by 15th of April. These 12 documents are made mandatory for the traders to renew their licenses.
Department of Mines and Geology suspended all 448 mining traders' licenses on 3rd of March. This step was initiated when department observed several irregularities related to mining, transportation and storage of minerals taking place unabated within the state of Goa. Some of them were also not paying necessary fees to the state government, causing severe loss to the state exchequer. Mining department stated that some of the mineral traders registered with the mines department are alleged to be involved or responsible for such gross illegal activity. Documents to be submitted by mining traders are contract with leaseholder or mining company, memorandum and articles of association, board resolution copy, details of directors or proprietors and partners, photos, EPIC card, copy of ration card, copy of PAN card, income tax returns for the last 5 years, office address proof, source of mineral ore including name, title and lease, copy of Indian Bureau of Mines registration and other details. These documents are to be submitted by 15th of April to Mines Department. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.